Hi guys, happy Monday, March 25th. I know I got the date wrong when I ended that last vlog, and I'm basically starting with my hair the same way. But I am on my way to school now. I just got ready really quick, and I have my backpack on me, and I'm going to go to school now. I don't know why I said it like that so slow. I'm gonna go to school now. So I will catch back up with you guys in a little bit. So a quick outfit of the day before I run out of here. I just have this bandana scrunchie in my hair that I've been loving lately. I got that at American Eagle. This sweater is from like a billion years ago from American Eagle. And these jeans are also from American Eagle. They're high-rise jegging crops. And then my Adidas shoes, and then my carry backpack. So yeah, that's it for today. Oh, and of course my water. So I missed my first train, so I'm waiting for the second one, and so I have a little bit of time, so I figured I'd give you guys just a quick little rundown of what my day is going to look like. Because I don't know how much vlogging I'll be able to do, so I want to at least get a little bit of background in there in case it's only like clips of me not really talking. So I just drove to the train station, and now I'm going to take the Metro North train to Grand Central, and then take either an Uber or Subway, probably Subway, to school. And then from there I have class from 10:30 until 12, social media and marketing, so gonna learn all about that social media marketing. And then after that, from 12:10 to 1:10, I have a meeting, and that's also my lunch break. So those are going to be very quick back to back for Pasteboard, which is in student org I'm a part of. And then after that, from 1:20 to 4:20, I have Intro to Women and Gender Studies. It's the third Women and Gender Studies class I've taken, but this is like the intro one, the beginning one. So I'm kind of backpedaling here, but I love the class, and the professor's awesome. So that's why I'm taking it. And yeah, and then after that, I think I have to stop by my internship just so that I could drop off something to them. And then I will be heading home. I'll be cleaning, doing laundry, doing homework, and I'm probably going to see if I can meet up with my family for dinner, because last week I was like, oh yeah, I'm going to go to dinner with you guys and hang out with you guys at your house because I'm on break. And then with Amanda's birthday and my internship Tuesday and Friday, I just completely didn't have time. Unfortunately, I was all over the place. So yeah, also I'm trying to go back to keto this week because my birthday's coming up in May. So I want to, make sure I'm birthday ready. So I'm trying to go back on keto this week. It's been about a month, little under a month and a half since I stopped being keto, because I stopped in the middle of February when I went to Ohio with my school. So because it was harder to be keto on vacation because there weren't many options while I was away in Ohio. So now I'm trying to get back into it. So let's see how this goes. Hopefully you guys will keep me accountable. And yeah, so that's my little rundown of today. Now I'm probably going to run inside so I can go get my parking money now instead of doing it later, and just get on the train and stuff. So yeah, see you guys in a bit. So I just got out of class and I'm headed to my meeting, but first I got a salad from Chipotle's. So I had my meeting where I couldn't film because we were announcing an artist. And then I had a class right after that, and now I dropped off what I needed to at my internship, and I am headed home now. Hey guys, so it's been a few hours since I've checked back in with you. Obviously I ate my dinner, and I was doing some homework, and then I ended up cleaning my whole room. So I still have like a ton of laundry here I have to do, but the rest is all nice and clean. And I like swept and mopped the floors and everything. And now I'm just watching Good Trouble before I go to sleep because I have to intern in the morning. So yeah, that's it for Monday. Hi guys, happy Wednesday, March 27th. Ooh. So yesterday I didn't vlog because for personal reasons I didn't go to work, well, my internship or school, but I am going back to school today, so I will be vlogging. So I'll see you guys soon. Hey guys, so happy March 31st. It is Sunday. I'm going into the city for my Phi retreat for Phi Mu, which is my sorority. So we're gonna go to school, and I'm just gonna be spending a few hours bonding with my sorority sisters, because picking twins is coming soon, and then twin reveals coming soon, because we don't have bigs and littles because we are a founding class chapter. So I'll do a whole video explaining my sorority recruitment process and like what it's like being in a sorority that's a founding charter. So we're colonizing at my school right now, and yeah, so I'm waiting for the train right now. I'm at the train station in my car, obviously, and yeah, so I'm gonna take you guys along with me. So this is my Phi pal, Annalise. Hey. She's in my sorority with me, and we just went to Sephora and picked up some goodies. We did some Fenty makeup matching.
I redeemed my points.
She did. She got some points, and now we are on our way to go get food. I think we are going to V-Spot?
Yeah.
We're going to V-Spot. So we're at V-Spot, and we got some vegan, organic, gluten-free Mexican food. So Annalise is vegan, so I wanted to take her here so we could try it.
I got lasagna.
She got lasagna and salad. And yeah, it's really strange that they have it here. And then I got a burrito, so yeah.
Long ago, the four nations lived together in harmony, and everything changed when the Fire Nation attacked. Only the master of all four elements could stop him. But when the world needed him the most, he vanished. 100 years passed, my brother and I discovered a new avatar, an airbender named Aang. And although his airbending skills are great, he's got a lot to learn before he's ready to save anyone. But I believe Aang can save the world.
Hey guys, so I just got home and I just want to show you what I got at Sephora. I only got two things, but just a little mini haul. I just got a new fly liner from Fenty Beauty. I got a new fly liner because mine is out, and then same with the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I was out of that, so I just picked those up when I went out with Annalie today after our Phi retreat. So I was gonna vlog during the retreat, but there really wasn't a lot of time to, and also it was like a lot of people sharing their personal experiences and stories and things like that, so I didn't want to vlog that. I ended up being late to the meeting, so I missed like some of the earlier stuff, so I didn't get to vlog anything before it got like, you know, real sister bonding. So I didn't want to vlog that, of course. And we got new t-shirts today, and it just says Phi Mu since 1852. So we were founded in 1852, so that's why it says that. And yeah, so now I have a mountain of laundry to do, so I'm gonna do that because I haven't done my laundry in a hot minute, because last weekend was Amanda's birthday, the weekend before was Sarah Lexi's, and then this weekend I've been all over the place. So that's tonight's task, and then also doing some homework. And yeah, and then I also have a bunch of stuff I got from my aunt that is already washed and clean. I just have to like hang it up, and my mom just sent me a ton of hangers in the mail from my room back in Florida. So I'm gonna hang all those up now while the other laundry is going. So yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. Also, since I went to V-Spot earlier with Annalie, obviously I'm not really that hungry right now, so that's why I didn't get dinner. But it was like a breakfast, lunch, and dinner all in one. But I also have food that I might eat later if I get hungry. Sorry, I have the hiccups. And yeah, so I might eat that later if I'm hungry. But we'll see. And then what else? I think that's it. So I'll keep you guys updated. Bye. I just wanted to get this on film, just how much dirty laundry I am cleaning today. Also, it's laundry time, so I changed into like pajama sweats so that I can do my laundry. And I'm rocking my NYU sweats today. Ugh, love these. These are my favorites. I brought them home last time I went to Florida. So yeah. Also in here, just a visual representation of how much clothes I can now put away now that my mom sent me my hangers. So yeah, this is like a bunch of stuff I got from my aunt. So, and then my sorority shirt, my shirt that had a hole in it, my grandma sewed, and then my sheets, which I cleaned. So I have to put those on my bed now. All right, so in the time that my clothes has been going downstairs, I just put away all of the clothes that was in the other room. And then I cropped a bunch of shirts that I got from my aunt because I wanted them to be crop tops, some of the t-shirts and stuff. So yeah, and now I'm just waiting for the other stuff to finish, and I think I might eat. So I might go make some food now. So I decided I'm gonna make shrimp with pasta. So I have linguine here. The water is boiling. I have that sitting there because the shrimp is really quick to make. But this is the shrimp I use. It's the C-Pack shrimp scampi. It's just super quick and easy, and it's already like has the seasoning and stuff on it. I like usually use cauliflower rice instead, but today I am not because, oh, I just did dad fingers in the camera, like when your like adult takes like a picture and there's like their finger in the corner. But yeah, normally I use cauliflower rice, but the one that my grandma got is like really mushy, so I'm not really a fan of it. So instead I'm gonna do pasta because I'm gonna go back on keto, hopefully, fingers crossed, soon. So might as well eat some pasta in the meantime. All right, so I just put load 2 in, and now I'm about to go put in the pasta. So I went over to Amanda's for like an hour, and then I just got home, and I just moved over my laundry. I'm gonna put away my jeans now, and yeah, so that's what's going on in my life. So load 2 is done, and I'm watching season 2 of On My Block while I put this stuff away. All right, load 3 is done, and we are getting somewhere. So I finished with all of my laundry, and now I'm going to bed because I have school in the morning.